Throughout history, coal has been used as a source of energy for heating, electricity generation, manufacturing, and transportation. Although renewable energy has become increasingly widespread throughout the 21st century, coal is still widely mined, shipped, and burned throughout the United States and internationally, producing a variety of harmful pollutants. The persistence of coal predominantly threatens mining and shipping communities, namely the city of Newport News, Virginia. Hampton Roads, Virginia is the largest exporter of coal in the United States, distributing 33% of all American coal exports in 2019 from just 3 coal terminals: the Pier 9 and Dominion Terminal Associates terminals in Newport News, and the Lamberts Point Terminal in Norfolk. Despite the economic incentive to continue exporting coal from these terminals, the continual presence of coal disproportionately pollutes the neighboring low-income community of southeast Newport News. Furthermore, the terminals operate alongside a highway system, wastewater treatment plant, and shipyard, all of which further contribute to toxin accumulation in Newport News. The multitude of environmental hazards define southeast Newport News as an environmental justice community of concern that urgently requires environmental remediation to improve local health and welfare. I created this piece of environmental art to communicate the multitude of environmental issues that affect southeast Newport News. This visual analysis of water pollution can be interpreted by individuals regardless of their educational or occupational background in environmental science, and using art to communicate evokes an emotional response that encourages viewers to invest in environmentalism. After draping canvas panels, I mixed brightly colored paint with sediment from the James River and poured it down the structure, illustrating how pollutants travel through and accumulate in aquatic ecosystems. Then I separated the canvas panels to represent how anthropogenic pollutants disturb and destroy natural processes. To finish the project, I moved the basin, which had been muddied and splattered by paint accumulation, to the top of the piece. This illustrates how environmental justice communities who experience the worst consequences of pollution develop a forced awareness of environmental issues. Throughout my capstone, I will further explore how coal and other pollutants accumulate in Newport News, and how a synthesis of science and art can drive united efforts towards environmental justice.